Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are recycling this old foam that I got from a couple of chairs that I'm redoing for a friend of mine. I didn't want to throw this old foam away. There's so many uses that we can put it to. So just with a little piece of super glue, just cheap super glue, you can cut to shape some little pieces of foam and put them on the bottom of your furniture to stop them from scratching your lovely floors. That's one little tip for you. Another one, if you've seen these, you usually use these for stencils, and you can just dab the paint on like that. These wear out really quickly. Well, with a little piece of foam, and I just cut some little squares out and just pop them in a container, so they're all ready for me. I can just get them out. Again, another piece of little bit of super glue, and I just popped a piece of foam on the other end, and you can just use that as a dauber. Works just as well as the fancy end, but you can just reuse that. And once that starts going as well and gets used up, you can just pull that off and pop another one on. Just easy as that. Just replace it. And if you've got a whole chair seat, you've got a lot of daubers you can actually use. I've actually got an old paintbrush. I get through paintbrushes so quickly. This paintbrush, the actual brush was wrecked from what I used it for, so I just pulled that off and cut it around. Another piece of sponge just stuck on with super glue there would make another excellent dauber. Again, you reuse paintbrushes. If a pencil is no good, if you've broken the lead so many times it won't sharpen and it's useless as a pencil, you can use that as well. Again, just pop one of those on. Another little thing that I did was I cut a squarish shape out of the sponge and covered it in material just as a little pin cushion there. It just holds the pins really nicely. Or you could leave that out, cover it in some funky material and use it as a wrist rest for when you're using the computer or when you're writing. Lots and lots of things you can do this foam for. Don't let it go to the landfill straight away. Reuse it as much as you can. Let's help each other and help our planet out at the same time. Enjoy upcycling your foam, guys. God bless.